Yes, so the title of the video is absolutely true. ChatGPT has made life very, very easy. In the previous video, we saw with the new ChatGPT 4.0, ChatGPT could, search the web, it could analyze images, it could summarize text, PDF. But now OpenAI has released a new feature called Explore GPTs. So what exactly are these Explore GPTs? These are GPTs which are specifically trained to do a particular task. They have been trained on specific knowledge base, on specific data set. So you can create your own GPT. Also, there are many people around the world which have created their own GPT meant to solve a particular task. So in the Explore GPTs tab, you get GPTs which can create logos, social media posts, presentations, solve mathematical problems, create diagrams, everything is at your fingertips. So let's check out some examples. So on the screen, you can see the homepage of the ChatGPT UI. To the left, you can see this tab called Explore GPTs. That is where you will find all the GPTs that have been created by various companies or various users. So you got different categories as well. You got productivity, research, education, and you got whole lot of GPTs to try. You got math, you got SQL, even you got image generators, you got social media posts, you got data analyst. There are plenty of GPTs. It will take a lot of time to go through all these GPTs, but I would show you a couple of them. Also, to the top right, you can see that you can create your own GPTs. So let's say you have some data set and you want the GPT to specifically answer questions related to that data set. Even that is possible, but we will see that in some other video. In this video, I wanted to show you a couple of GPTs which I found are very helpful. Obviously, as a graphic designer, or if you are in some other profession, you can check out the GPTs which are more suitable for your task. But let's say you are a data analyst. And generally, in data analyst, you got to analyze a lot of CSV files. You got to analyze data. You need to create a lot of bar charts. But let's say we want to check out what this data analyst GPT does. So this GPT is specifically meant to tackle data analysis problems. And I have a CSV file of housing price analysis. So it's a very basic data set which is used as a toy data set for most of the machine learning problems when you're learning the basic concepts. Let's say that I want this ChatGPT to analyze this data. So generally as a data analyst, you write the code and you get the bar charts and then you analyze all these data. But what if this GPT does it for you? So let's check that out. You just put the prompt of analyze this data. There you see, it says that it's analyzing. It gives you the code of reading the CSV file. You use the pandas library. It also spits out all the columns. That is insane, to be honest. And it even gives you the code to get the graphs, to get the bar charts. It is doing everything on its own. I haven't asked anything. I've just asked to analyze this file, and it is giving me the code. It is spitting out all the information that it has. Everything, all the code is ready. You just need to put it in some code editor, and there it is. It also gives the graphs. That is so cool. And that is what this ChatGPT data analyst specific custom GPT can do for you. And it gives you everything. What more do you need? Similar to the data analyst GPT, let's try out the whimsical diagrams GPT. Let's see what it can do. Let's say you start chat and please give me a diagram of image signal processing. Your prompt can be anything, and we expect it to spit out a flow chart probably. It gives you a graph TD. Obviously, we want the diagram, and it takes some time. Okay, so it does ask you to allow it. Probably can be some sort of permission. You are using the content of some company, so you need to allow the permission. And there it is. It spits out the diagram. That is so cool. So you can use this in your PPTs instead of you going and creating it, probably investing a lot of time. You can ask such GPTs. The limit of messages for free users for this Explore GPTs, custom GPT is also limited. I have noticed that it maxes out at, let's say, 5 messages, but then it gives you a message that after 4 hours you can try it again. So the amount of messages is limited. But isn't it cool? You can explore this tab. You can find something which is useful for your own use case, probably some presentation, analyze some file, and you have the AI to do it for you. So yes, you can explore it. Please let me know if you find anything useful. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.